Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now guys, we know Umzalaran Jengaye, whose name is Kapelani, has been admitted in the hospital, and there were talks around cancer. So this scene or this episode actually starts off with the scene where they are at the hospital. So the doctor comes in the room, and then Kapelani is like, how Togotela, like greeting udokotela wakhona. Then udokotela then says, Babu Dlamini niyaphila namhlanje. Then Kapelani then says, ayi kukahle, konke kuhamba kahle. Awungitshele dokotela, ikhona into onganginika yona to heal ukuthi ungilaphe lento enginayo. Then the doctor says ukuthi ngebhadi cha, i-biopsy ikhomba ukuthi i-cancer yakho it has spread too much. Mr. Dlamini, uzomela ukuthi sikuhlinze sikhiphe i-prostate cancer. UKapelani is shocked by these news. He's like, wenzeni kuphi khona? UPhakamani, his son, then says ukuthi asimniki thuba baba, asimniki thuba, qhubeka dokotela. The doctor then continues and then says ukuthi ngiyaqonda ukuthuka kwakho Babu Dlamini. Kodwa-ke engingakuthembisa kona kuyaphileka, amadoda amaningi ayaphila after senze i-surgery to take out this prostate cancer. Nawe-ke ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi uzoba right, like uzophileka after this. UPhakamani then says, dokotela, kunento engiyifundile lana efonini yami, angazi bathi chemo. Then the doctor's like, chemotherapy. UPhakamani's like, yebo. The doctor says, yeah, chemotherapy is one of the treatment options. Iyasebenza nje kakhulu. Babu Dlamini, unurse uzoza lana to get you ready so that iyokwenza i-MRI. Then uPhakamani then says, manje dokotela, ngikuza ukhuluma ngokuhlinzwa lana, kungenzeka yini ukuthi idlulele ingibambe nami le prostate cancer? The doctor then says, yeah, ngokujwayelekile kuyenzeka genetically, kodwa-ke njengendoda makukhona ubuhlungu obuzwayo on your pelvis, or when you experience any difficulty when you pee at toilet, ungakusiza ukuthi usheshe uphuthume uyochecka, ungalindi kuze kube khona into enkulu before you go to the doctor. UPhakamani is like, hayi iyezwakala. Udokotela then says ukuthi asibonge-ke Mr. Dlamini, ngizokubona. And then the doctor walks out. As the doctor walks out, uKapelani looks at uPhakamani. He's like, lalela la, yabona mina mengiphuma lana inyanga yami izoyilungisa yonke lento. Ayikho into ayaziyo nodokotela, ukhuluma into angayazi lo mfana, yistuphethu nje lesi, azazi lutho nje. Then the scene just ends like that. Guys, I guess Bongile and the Dlamini is trying to educate us as the public, as its viewers, about cancer, especially men. Ukuthi, you know, it's possible for men ukuthi nabo-ke bayithole, especially if unenkinga mawuya toilet ukhama. They are educating men, and I love anything that's going to educate us about these things, because most of the time some people think ukuthi lezi zinto ziphatha abelungu kuphela, kanti like when it comes to izifo, guys, izifo, it doesn't have a shade, it doesn't choose a color, it doesn't choose anything. Anyway, next scene, or a few moments later, the scene continues between uPhakamani and uKapelani. So uKapelani then says ukuthi Phakamani, uyabona nawe ukuthi usungahamba manje, asikho isidingo sokuthi ubuhleli nami lana, ngikahle mina. Then uPhakamani then says, hawu baba, usuyangixosha manje, ngizohlala mina lana. As he's speaking like that, uNjengaye comes through the door, ungena nenyanga uNjengaye. So uPhakamani is like, hayibo, siyalingwa yini lana? Kanti yini umsebenzi wama-security mokungena neyinyanga lana? Yini kwenzakalani lana? Inyanga then says, sawubona Babu Dlamini. UPhakamani is like, ufunani wena lana, looking at uNjengaye, abazwani-ke. uNjengaye is like, hey wena yeyi, funda ukuhlonipha abantu abadala wena. uNjengaye then looks at inyanga. He's like, uyena-ke uDlamini, umfowethu-ke lona. Mfowethu, inyanga-ke lena ezosiza wena iphume empangeni. uPhakamani is like anginandaba ukuthi unamandla angakanani ngeke amthinte ubaba lalela la bhuti looking at inyanga ngeke umthinte ubaba wami ngizokumba nje phansi mina and then uKaphelani is like Phakamani yehlisa umoya uPhakamani is like baba ngehlisa umoya kanjani hayibo baba then inyanga then says ukuthi mina ngizokwenza umsebenzi wami lana he starts taking out amayeza wakhe guys starts putting it on the table uPhakamani is like susa lezi zinto zakho khipha lezi zinto zakho man he just pushes all of those things imithi yenyanga he pushes them on the floor he goes on to say ukuthi ubaba une-cancer ye-stage 4 wena njengaye ulethe inyanga ufuna umphedelela yini unjengaye is like ngithi ngikwenzelani lokho wemfana umfowethu lona futhi uyena ofune inyanga ukuthi ize lana unokhuzana uPhakamani then says musu kuhamba manga ubaba zange abize inyanga lena Bhuti, bengicela uyeke lento yenzayo he's speaking to inyanga cela uyeke lento yenzayo uphume njengamanje nje yazi ngiyalingwa lana hawu naba abantu bo unjengaye then says to inyanga ngiyaxolisa sizokhuluma ngaphandle then inyanga gets out leaves them unjengaye zakwemfana ungene yini umthetho wakho and then uPhakamani says baba omncane asiyiqondise ngokusheshsha nje lento if ubaba uyashona ngenxa yakho nale nyanga yakho ngizobhekana nawe mina then the scene just ends like that next scene we see uSamke benovuma they are eating breakfast and then uSamke is like how Vuma uyamthemba uVelephi uVuma looks at uSamke he's like na ungumntana wami njena uVelephi uyibiziswa yini leyo nto uSamke is like angazi ukuthi inhloso zakhe awusoze uthi uyazazi nje la kungumuntu angangifakela no poison yazi angangifakela upoison uvele uvuma zakhe hayi Samke usuyisa kude ke lento manje ushevu ungayisha kanjani into enjalo uSamke avela ahleke and she's like ngiyadlala how wangikholela nawe ngempela hawu ngiyadlala ngingayisho kanjani into efana naleyo ngiyazidlalela nje hawuvuma ngiyathanda indlela ashintshe ngayo uVelephi yazi ngiyabona ukuthi ingane ngempela iyazama kakhulu ngiyazibuza ukuthi ke kodwa kaze ushintshe ngempela yini or is this all just a pretense uvuma is like na hawushintshile nami ngiyalibona ushintsho luhle futhi kodwa-ke ngiyafisa ukuthi lolu shintsho ingathi lingatheleleka usangweni uSamke then says how yabona ke lowo as she's speaking like that uVelephi guys comes in baba Auntie Samkena baba and then ulokhuzana uvuma gets up to like he's wondering ukuthi hayibo wahayizanga uVelephi what's going on uVelephi is crying there sengenze iphutha la ndamosha impahla za Samke uvuma zakhe hawu kodwa mntanami uVelephi is like zimoshekile baba ngenze iphutha uvuma then says how habufanga muntu njena yehlisa umoya mntanami usukhoma kangaka uhayiza ingathi khona umuntu osehambile uVelephi zathi cha baba yikuthi ngiyazi uAnsamke uyazithanda impahla zakhe uvuma zakhe awukulungile yehlisa umoya uAnsamke akakudinelwe mntanami angithi anti uSamke zakhe how ngingayenza kanjani leyo nto enganini wonke umuntu uyawenza amaphutha then uvuma zakhe uyabona-ke uVelephi zakhe ngiyaxolisa ngempela uvuma zakhe hayi kulungile yehlisa umoya mntanami that type uSamke she is so annoyed you guys I'm just like whatever game uVelephi is playing benoSamke one of them is gonna burn and uvuma he's not even seeing anything and it's happening right underneath his nose next scene we see uZama she is at a restaurant remember umsebenzi wakhe as a promo girl so she's wearing the uniform yalaphayana uZama is speaking to like clients there or yeah she's speaking to clients there uyabona ke lena this is one of the best wines that we have. So just feel free to order more bottles and ngiyabuyake, okay? Enjoy. So she walks away. As she's walking away, uSibongile approaches uyangena. That time, guys, the uniform yakhona imfishane. It's short, it's tight. The cleavage is out. uSibongile is wearing a coat on top of that. Phela uSibongile decided to go kwaDlamini. She decided to put on the uniform. Phambi kwabo Mamzi. uMamzi was like, ngeke Sibongile, this thing is too revealing. Gqoka ikoti. While uNelly benoLokhuzana benoThuli were like, no, it's fine. In uLokhuzana uMamzi was like, no. Girl, meluhlonipheke, you know you're about to be a wife. So uSibongile is pitching up at work. Yes, she's wearing her uniform, but she's wearing a coat. That time, that coat is brown, you guys, and the uniform is black. So when uZama sees uSibongile, she's like, hayi bo mngani, ugqokeni? Why are you wearing that? uSibongile's like, hawu mina ngifuna ukugqoka kanje Zama. uZama's like, njani mngani? What do you even mean? Xa uyikhiphe leyo nto futhi akuhambisani ne-uniform. Khipha mngani. Before bakubone bakuxoshe, oh, khipha. uSibongile takes it off. And then uZama's like, later. She takes it. She's like, bukunguhle kanjani? Yini inkinga yakho? Oh, kanti uSibongile is pulling down the uniform because she feels as if it's too short. uSibongile is like, cha Zama, ngizizwa ngathi angigqokile. uZama's like, hayi mngani, stop hiding. Phela sizosebenza lana. Hamba uthatha iglasi laphayana bese uyapromota kulela tafula. uSibongile is like, hayi bo Zama, mina ngizothini kulaba abantu? uZama's like, mngani, bamba. Like, just take the glass and go to the table. Ubatshela ukuthi, ubabuze ukuthi bafuna ukutaste yini iwine lethu, and then tell them that if they buy 2 wines, you get 1 bottle for free. You can see shame ukuthi uSibongile is nervous. uZama's like, hamba, you got this mngani. So uSibongile takes a glass, takes a wine there, and then she goes to the table. She's like, sanibonani, we've actually got a special today where if you buy 2 of our wines, you get 1 glass free. Would you guys like to hear more about the special? The lady says yes. And then uSibongile is like, actually, I want to. Ngifuna ukuthi nganithelela yona so you guys can taste. Then the lady's like, yeah, you can pour. As uSibongile is pouring the wine into the glass, she just pours the wine on top of the lady. The lady's like, what the hell? Wenzani? uSibongile's like, ngiyaxolisa. uSibongile is trying to wipe the lady. The lady's like, yeka, like, just give me something to wipe. uSibongile antazela laphayana. The lady's like, just give me something to wipe. uZama comes over, she's like, ngiyaxolisa bandla. Imi, your guys shame uSibongile. I'm just like, this job is not for uSibongile. Anyway, next scene, girl, we see uPhakamani and uQaphelani at the hospital again, having a conversation. uQaphelani is about to eat food, so uPhakamani is like, yes, baba, ngiyakuzwela ukuthi yikona ukudla okumele ukudle lokhu. uQaphelani then says ukuthi unjani uma wakho? And then uPhakamani is like, hey, akuhambe kahle baba. Uyaziqinisa nje wenza ingathi strong kodwa ngimthole ethandaza ecela uNkulunkulu ukuthi akusindise. uQaphelani then says ukuthi yazi uma wakho ngizamile ukumbonisa ngimtshele ukuthi lezi inhlungu engizizwayo zincane kabi. uPhakamani is like, uyamazi uma-ke. Then he's like, ukahle kodwa baba, because he can see ukuthi ngathi khona something emwarishayo. Then uQaphelani then says ukuthi angiyithandanga lento yenzile earlier on. uPhakamani is like, hayi baba ngeke. Then uQaphelani then says, ngilinde ngiqede ngibone ubaba. uPhakamani is like, umkhulu ubuphupha yini? Then uQaphelani then says ukuthi yazi into engiyikhumbulayo is that I saw a ticking clock. Yilokho kuphela. Awungitshele ndodana, njengoba isikhathi sinje, uma khona into engifisa ukuthi ungenzele yona, ungangenzela? uPhakamani is like, noma yini baba. uQaphelani then says ukuthi cela uyongilandela umama Mphetheni. uPhakamani is like, hayi ngeke baba, laba abantu abakuthandi. uQaphelani is like, lalela, angizami uqala inkulumo ngalento, angifuni futhi ukuthi sikhulume ngayo. Cela ungilandele uPhetheni. Then the scene ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see uVusi benoGcina. They are at uKwenzo's apartment. It looks like uKwenzo invited them over to have some dinner, so they are setting up the table there. So it's uGcina, uVusi, uSibongile, benoKwenzo. So uKwenzo then tells them ukuthi yazi uSibongile has decided to work part-time as a promo girl. UGcina's like, oh wow, siyakubongela Sibongile. Sibongile then says, ayi ngiyabonga. Ngicabanga ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukuzimela, ikakhulukazi if ungumuntu wesifazane. UKwenzo then says, wena owakho umbona uthini bhuti ngalokho? And then uVusi just keeps quiet. And then uKwenzo's like, Vusi? Then uVusi's like, sure bafo. uKwenzo then says ukuthi umqondo wakho ukuphi ngempela, because you can see ukuthi uVusi, his mind is not there. uVusi then says, mfethu, yazi ukuthi ngilokho ngicabanga lana, ngicabanga indaba kababa omdala. uKwenzo's like, uqinisile yazi, kuzomela ukuthi siyomcheck-a. uVusi then says ukuthi, ngeke ngacabanga ukuthi ngiyomcheck-a, kodwa ngabuye ngakhumbula ukuthi there's that greedy one, uPhakamani, who's going to bite my head off, so it's better that I don't go. uKwenzo's like, yeah, kodwa big man, isona sikhathi lesi ukuthi sibumbane as a family. uSibongile then says ukuthi nami ngivumelana noKwenzo, ngicabanga ukuthi this is the perfect time to unify as a family after a conflict. uKwenzo then says, yeah. uVusi's like, mina khohlwani ke, angeke ngiwenze lokho mina. uKwenzo's like, ngiyaxolisa bhuti ukuthi uzizwa kanjalo. And then uVusi's like, Kwenzo, wazini wena ngokuzizwa ungekho right, wazini wena ngokuzwa ubuhlungu? And then uKwenzo just looks at him like to say, and then uKwenzo then says, awuthi ngiyo-check ukuthi izinto zi-right ngalana. He just goes over to the kitchen area. Then uGcina comes closer to uVusi. uGcina then says ukuthi uyakhumbula ukuthi ngakutshela ukuthi ubaba wakho is not someone esingamethemba. Uyambona uKwenzo ukuthi usekhuluma kanjani nawe? Ngiyathemba-ke ukuthi idili yethu iyabuya etafuleni njengamanje. That scene ends like that. Guys, what is uGcina's issue? uKwenzo didn't even speak anyhow. uVusi is the one who just, I don't know which uvuke yini, but I'm just like, uGcina is going to break up this brotherhood. And the thing is, uVusi knows ukuthi uNjengayo, or rather uKwenzo is not uNjengayo's son. Maybe uVusi is going to end up taking out the secret because he might be jealous of how the fact that even though uKwenzo's not uNjengayo's son, he still gets preferential treatment. Anyway, last scene girl, we see uPhetheni ngempela. She arrives at the hospital, uKapelani. So mekangena, she's like, bhuti. Then uKapelani is like, kunjani? uPhetheni is like, uzizwa kanjani? Then uKapelani is like, yazi, sengifisa lento idlule nje. uPhetheni is like, ngidlule kumashongwe before ngize lana, inzima kakhulu lento kuyena. uKapelani is like, loyo uyahlupha kabi. Avela akhale nje ngisho ngizithimlela nje kungumkhuhlane odlulayo. uPhetheni is like, kodwa phela lona akusiwona umkhuhlane, i-cancer. Yazi if basheshe bayithola lento ngaba sikho lana. Then uKapelani is like, ngiyakwazi lokho. uPhetheni then says, ngicele oyedwa of the ladies abasebenza endlini ukuthi bayombheka, ukuthi bamsize and to keep her company. uKapelani then says, Phetheni, ngiyabonga. Uyazi awuzange wasilahla wena. uPhetheni is like, yeah, no, kubonga mina. Then uKapelani is like, yazi, unento lana Phetheni engifisa uyazi. uPhetheni is like, okay. uKapelani is like, ngaba uKwenzo uyindodana yami. uPhetheni then says, angizwanga. But you can see ukuthi she's so offended by the fact that he's actually asking that question. But obviously, guys, the fact that he's asking the question would mean ukuthi uPhetheni had sexual intercourse with her husband's cousin. Ew, guys, Njengaye is gonna go mad when he finds out about this. But anyway, let's park it right there. We will have to wait for next week to find out Ugutu Peteni. What is she going to say, you guys? Is she going to hide it? Is she gonna take out the truth? Is there any truth in this? We shall wait and see till next week. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.